What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala, currently sitting at 0.048. Looks like we're going through an ABC. Down 4.5 on the day. Market cap 1.77 billion. 24-hour volume all the way back down to 286 million. So nice little boring correction. That's how they go. They shake out the weak hands. So I think you're gonna see an ABC correction. You come down, 5-way move in an A. That's a B. And then you come down in a wave C. Usually it will break the wave 5 low. So potentially down to 4 cents or the high 3 cents, like 0.039 or 0.038 before bouncing back to the upside. If we push from here, it's possible. Then you'd look at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 5. But looking at the rest of the market, it looks like a lot of coins are going through ABC corrections at the moment. We got rejected by this major level of resistance, perfectly healthy. That's what you do. You climb the stairs. So now we're coming back, come back to the support of 4 cents or the 0.039, 0.038. You can see the massive amount of support in that area and then bounce back to the upside, see continuation to our next price targets and your next major resistance zone in between 0.074 and 0.087. All right, gang, we're looking for a 60 to 70 cent Gala for the bull run. $1 would be incredible. We'll have to see how it plays out. If you want completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, we're in a few trades right now, my Forex signals. You can see my HODL alt plays, when I'm invested in, when I'm taking profits, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. Completely free access. If you sign up to BITUNIX, this will literally take 30 seconds of your time. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Take the 30 seconds, sign up, send me email, and you'll get completely free access for life. The best deal on YouTube, in my opinion. Most people would charge $50, $100 a month for this kind of content, but for me, I just want to help you reach financial freedom. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.